The Pythagoras Theorem Part 5. Textbook page 297. Calculate the length of PQ. Look at the given diagram. You want to find the length of PQ. So focus on this triangle. This triangle, you have three sides. The first side, PS, the length is 15 cm. The second side, QS, you do not know the length. And the third side, PQ, you want to find the length. You cannot find the length of PQ because you do not know the length of QS. So, before you find the length of PQ, find the length of QS first. To find the length of QS, use the small triangle. This triangle is right angle triangle because you have a 90 degrees angle. So, you can use Pythagoras theorem to find the value, to find the length of QS. That means you can write the relationship between the three sides to find the value of QS. So, you write QS because you want to find the length, and then don't forget to write square, next equal, and then this time you use plus because QS is hypotenuse. Is it correct? QS hypotenuse? Yes, because QS opposite of 90 degrees angle. So because QS is a hypotenuse, you use plus. 8 square, this side, plus one more side, 6. 6. Don't forget to write square. Next, you bring down QS square, you bring down, and then 8 square is equal to 8 times 8, answer 64. 6 square, 6 times 6, answer 36. Next, you find the answer, bring down QS square, and then find the answer 64 plus 36 is 100. This is not your answer yet because this is QS square. To find QS, you find the square root of 100. So you get QS is 10 cm. So now you know this QS, the length is 10 cm. So finally, you can find what is the length of PQ. So now, again, this is a right angle triangle. So you can use Pythagoras theorem. That means you can write the relationship between the three sides like this. Okay, now you write. You want to find PQ, so you write PQ. And then PQ, hypotenuse or not? Not hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is PS because PS opposite of 90 degrees angle. So PQ not hypotenuse, so you use minus. Take the two sides. The first one is 15, this side 15, and then one more side QS. QS is 10, so you write 15 minus 10, but don't forget to write square, square. Big number minus small number. And then you find the answer. PQ square, you bring down 15 square is 15 times 15, 225. 10 square is 10 times 10, 100. And then PQ square, you find the answer. 225 minus 100 is 125. But this one is PQ square. You want to find PQ, find the square root of 125. So PQ is 11.18 cm. Now you can write cm because in the diagram no cm, so your answer you write cm. Textbook page 299. In the diagram, PVRQ and RUTS are squares. Calculate the perimeter of the whole diagram. Look at the given diagram. PVRQ. PVRQ. This is a square. One more. RUTS. RUTS. Also a square. Now, focus on this square. PQ is 12 cm. How about QR? What is the length? Yes, 12 cm. And then, how about RV? What is the length? Also 12 cm. PV? Yes, also 12 cm. Because square. If square, all the sides have equal length. 12 cm, 12 cm, 12 cm, 12 cm. Okay, move to the next square. TU, 16 cm. How about RU? Also 16 cm. RS, also 16 cm. ST, also 16 cm. Because square. Square have all the sides of square have equal length. Okay, now do you know the length of this side UV? Yes, you do not know. So now you need to find the length first before you find the perimeter of the whole diagram. Can you find the length of UV? Can, by using this triangle. This triangle is right angle triangle because you have 90 degrees angle. So you can use Pythagoras theorem. You can write this relationship. Okay, before you write, you think whether UV is hypotenuse or not. Yes, hypotenuse because UV opposite of 90 degrees angle. So you write UV square because you want to find the length, and then you use plus because UV is hypotenuse, so you use plus. This side you know is 12, and then this side RU 16. So this one 12, you write 12 square, and then this side is 16, you write 16 square. Okay, now you find the answer. UV square, you bring down 12 square, 12 times 12, 144, 16 square, 256. And then you find the answer, 144 plus 256, 400. But this one is UV square. You want to find UV, you put square root. 400, square root of 400, so you get 20. UV is 20 cm. So this side is 20 cm. Okay, now you find perimeter. If you want to find perimeter, you use plus. You plus all the length of the sides. Okay, for example here, you write UV is 20. So 20 and then plus 16 this side. Okay, plus 16. And then one more plus this side 16 plus 16. And then one more side 16 and then plus 16. Next 12. This side is 12, so you write plus 12. And then one more also 12, so you write plus 12. And then last one you write this side 12 plus 12. So altogether 104 centimeter. But remember, you cannot add this side. This side 12 and this side 16 you cannot add. when you want to find perimeter, because this side is inside the diagram. If inside the diagram, not perimeter. You cannot use this side to find perimeter. This side also inside the diagram, so you cannot take this length, this side you cannot take to find the perimeter. If you want to find perimeter, choose the side around the diagram, around the diagram, around the diagram. Inside the diagram, you cannot take the side.